What a gorgeous sunrise. What do you think about that?
It's beautiful.
Welcome back to another video. Today we're here with the man, the myth, the legend, George.
What's up, everyone?
And then also we're meeting up with John in about 15 minutes. We're running late as usual when George drives the car. Currently 6 o'clock. As you guys can see, the sun is coming up. I don't think we've ever been up this early ever in our entire lives to fish. But you know, that's okay because right now we made the executive decision to both try espresso for the first time ever this morning. So we're gonna be completely jazzed when we fish with John, so that'll be good. Yeah, we're about 15 minutes away. I think John's already there, so sorry for being late. But today, as you guys can tell, we're gonna be fishing for some hogs, some largemouth bass. So you guys wanna cop this design and wear what I wear, use code SLINGERS15 for 15% off at followtheaction.com. You know, they got the bass, the crappie, whatever you're fishing for, it's supposed to be good luck. It's good luck for me because I need it. I need the good luck today. Should've got you a shirt. You probably need the good luck even more. Maybe we'll switch shirts if I start catching fish. I'm gonna put the camera down, guys. We're gonna get there. Sorry for being late, John, and I don't know what to say after this.
John, we're bringing munchkins, bro.
We made it on the lake, me, George, and John, like we mentioned, in the car. And you want to explain real quick for my viewers what we're gonna be tossing around today?
Yeah. So today, or a few days ago, Kate was like, yo, what are you gonna be filming? Because we come out here with like a general idea, something to kind of add a twist on today's video. I was like, I think I'm gonna throw like a big crazy swim bait. And he's like, all right, let me get on that as well. So I actually dug deep and brought him this lure right here. A viewer gave this to me. I think it was in California. It's a shell cracker by Black Dog. It's kind of an uncommon bait. It's a weird bait. And it will, I mean, this is a Midwest killer. Like if you want to catch big fish in the Midwest, it's bluegill all day. That's like the main forage. So he's gonna tie this on. I've got this absolutely insane bluegill that I've never thrown before. The color pattern is called X-ray. I mean, it's
massive.
Yeah, so it's a floating bluegill. So these are both floating swim baits. This one's a little bit more natural. So he's gonna tie this one on. And then if that doesn't work and you're feeling super adventurous, we even got this one.
Oh damn!
This is a bull shooter.
Jeez.
Yeah, 190. That's one of my favorites.
How much does that one cost?
109.
Ooh, don't know if I want to put that on if I lose that one.
Yeah, I think it floats though.
All right.
Yeah, it's a floating, so you're not gonna lose it.
All right.
Yeah,
George, what are you throwing today?
You know, I got these some limited edition Senkos, I believe. Maybe throwing a craw here or there. I don't trust myself with any of these big expensive baits.
Yeah, I know. I don't trust myself, but we'll see.
Yeah,
George, I believe in you.
I'll keep you guys updated.
But you know, we got good weather. It's like 6:30 or so. Got some. It looks beautiful. There's glass. Fog's still rising off. It's gonna be a good day, guys. Stay tuned. On the Never Stop 2, and they did like a shock collar challenge. And so like if you like caught a fish, like you get to shock someone.
Oh, yes,
got him!
Sir. Yes, sir.
No, George, look out!
What are we doing? What did I do to you?
I didn't mean to do that, bro. I was trying to talk to him.
My life just flashed before my eyes.
I was distracted. I was talking about Peric's shock collar.
He hammered it.
He did. He actually did hammer that.
Oh, that was cool.
That was actually sick. I gotta be more aware. When with the jerk baits, I gave you the jerk bait, I gave you the rod.
You were salty that day.
Oh yeah.
Got him, oh my god.
That's a good one.
That was sick.
That was very sick.
Stay down, stay down.
That's a good one.
I think it's alright.
You found her.
Dude, right in that shade, we called that.
Yep.
Alright, stay down. Dude, that was so sick. That was epic. Alright, stay down. Alright. Oh, what? What are you kidding me?
It's not even my fish, I just got drenched.
Kind of scared I'm gonna lose it, to be honest. Like last time.
Get him.
Oh, that's a good fish, bro. What are you kidding me?
Very good fish.
Look at that.
Swim bait.
On the swim bait. All right, this is the first fish of the day on John's swim bait, or your California viewers. So thank you to whoever that is. Probably a 3-pounder right in the shade. Like John said, would probably work right in the shade. And sure enough, he just exploded on it. It's a beautiful first fish of the day. You know, throwing a bait like this definitely weeds out the smaller fish. And it's the second action we had in it all day, and it worked. So I'm gonna take her off and put her back real quick. All right, first one of the day. I'm not gonna get away, but definitely 3. And she was ready to go, so there she goes. I'm gonna toss the jig under there real quick. It's kind of good.
Oh, I forgot. God, I hate my life.
My lure just fell off.
Wait, what happened?
You're kidding me.
Did they just pop
That must have
off?
been the worst knot of my entire life. The knot just broke.
Like you picked up the rod and then right to the ball.
Let's go. The only good thing about the jig, it catches big fish too. There's one.
Oh, hang on.
I think it's small, but it's got a lot of fight because it was right by the boat. Yeah.
Oh,
It's a good size, actually.
John, where are you at, bro?
How they-
I'm throwing $105 big ass X-ray looking swim bait.
There he is. Whew. Doubles, baby. Doubles. George, you want to get a picture real quick with these?
Yeah, let's get
John, can you take a picture real quick? Here, I'll hand
I
you.
don't want you in the picture, bro.
Sweet. George, we're supposed to release it together. All right, whatever. Okay, she's ready to go, God. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Let's see. Stop. Well, good fish on the jig. Me and George just doubled right there. This one slammed it.
I forgot that we were videoing.
Boom. Go for the double.
Okay, well, confirmed. There are fish in here. I just don't think a lot of them are coming up for it. Like one thing I'm noticing.
There's one.
Doubled. That's a good one.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a pretty good fish. That's a pretty good fish.
Stay down. Stay down. She's coming with me.
Oh!
Stop jumping! Stop jumping!
That one would have eaten the bluegill, no doubt. That's
Yeah.
a good fish. Anyway, as I was saying, one thing I'm noticing is these guys in front are making pitches to the places that I'm casting, and they're definitely getting some bites, whereas the big skeleton bluegill bait's not getting as many chomps. For example, Cade's got like close to 4 pounds right there.
Oh,
yeah,
baby!
that's a chunk.
So choked it, bruh.
Doesn't mean I'm not gonna throw
Freaking choked it. Look at that.
just kind of
Right down his throat.
seeing what I'm not.
Oh, he wanted that jig. Oh, that's beauty. Boys are out here hooking up. Me and John just doubled. George probably lost another fish. It's about biggest of the day. I think, right? That's probably the biggest.
Yes.
And there she goes.
I caught a couple.
So you caught a couple 2.5 pounders. Let's go. Man, the jig is just so much fun. Can't put that shit down.
That is a cast.
That's a good cast.
I went around that stick.
There it is.
Good one. Oh, I got hit.
I think that's a little smaller one. Boom, boom, boom.
So many fish in this.
There are. This one's not as big, but that's all right. Jeez,
Watch the Duncan.
there she is. Just a dink, but you know what? It's all right. She wanted that jig. I'm telling you guys, the trench hog on the back is an underrated move. People sleep on the trench hog, and it works.
This looks like a pretty cool spider web.
Just a dink, nothing crazy. No pictures needed. She's right back in there. Yeah.
No. Hey,
Dude,
what the hell are you doing?
set into my shit.
God.
Oh, I just had one pick it up, I think. There he is. All right, got a lot of fighting him. Jeez, just swam right towards the boat. I don't know. Got a ton of fight, whatever. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Sorry, I got you wet there. Yeah, that one got you pretty wet. Nice. Right by that shoreline. A little bit of rock. Don't jump again, don't jump again. Oh no! Nonetheless, good fish though, on the jig. Kind of put down that bluegill swim bait for a pick because this looks so good for jigs. And I caught my personal best over here with the jig. I definitely will pick that thing back up. I would like to get another bite on it, but when the jig's working, it's kind of hard to switch. And it seems to be the ticket right now. The sun's coming out. It's getting kind of hot out here. We're getting kind of burned. Good fish. We'll keep working this bank, and hopefully George will break his PB, right?
It is really hard to put this jig down. Focus on this swim bait when they are eating this thing.
No!
Did you lose one? He broke off.
I was about to double up with John.
George, he's been having some pretty hero moments this fishing session, but it's when the camera turns on. That's another nice one. Not on the bluegill, not on the skeletal bluegill, but it feels good to get some on the Kraken. So sorry, George. Like fully snapped you off.
Oh yeah, yeah. I would have posted that shit on Instagram.
Okay.
I was so ready for that.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Thanks, man.
Oh, you got thumped on.
Because we were.
Got him.
That's got me. That thing was.
It actually feels pretty decent. It's not jumping. It's staying down.
That thing was going.
Huge thump too.
I like to watch that. That'd be a good one.
It's going out deep, right? That's a good.
Yeah,
That's a good sign. Stay down though. Stay down. I know you want to come up. Stay out of those weeds. Oh, is it still on? I think I'm still pulling it. Yeah. Did it come off? Oh no. Oh, it came off right there. That was a good fish, dude. That was actually probably a really good fish. George, I'm talking your PB breaker. Bigger.
That was the one I needed.
Damn, I mean that thing just straight went out the deep, didn't jump. like your bass thick.
I like my bass.
Picky cheese, some sharp cheddar, provolone.
Is that a fish?
Oh, that's the log.
No. Oh, that's a fish.
Yeah?
I like him.
Got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Yeah, George. Personal best?
PB can.
PB 50?
Oh, that's pretty good.
Chill, bro. Pretty good.
Hey, John, you wanna do your part, bro?
I don't know.
Oh, that's right. I gotta catch a fish. I'd like to double up.
That's definitely your biggest. That's definitely over.
Get it in, George. Just fix it up. All right, we'll grab the scale.
The crow goes wild. I like them thick.
Now it's wet. Okay. Yeah, so that's.
Hey, you should keep casting. You should keep
Is
casting.
that in ounces or what?
Yeah, it says 3 pounds and then 14
Yeah,
ounces.
that's your biggest bass, dude.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby, can baby.
I got a little bit.
I think that is.
Yeah, right.
Should have put some lemons, Dolly.
I think I owe you
Jeez.
$100.
Was that a 1 claw?
No. There's a fish there. Damn, he hit it right by the boat. Oh God, that's a nice one.
Not small.
Stop jumping like a not in the circus, bro.
Yeah, that would have been a sick double.
Oh,
That would have been a real sick double.
that's a pig right there. So can someone catch a fish here? You want to catch a fish here? He swallowed that though. Check that out. He wanted that jig. Literally hit it right in front of the boat. Some water.
Oh, yes.
George got one too. Oh. Hold on, hold on.
No, I don't know if we're triple. Mine might have come off.
No way. Are you serious?
Yes, mine was big.
No. Someone else get a fish. All right. Well, I don't know where to start. But hey guys, we just wrapped up a day in the water with George and John, and we just got back to the main lake. The reason I wasn't filming anymore is because my SD card was full, and we caught 6 fish to end it off. George caught one of them. That's it. He only caught one. Only caught one. John caught 4. I caught 1. George only caught 1 of the final 6 fish. They didn't want me to tell you guys that, but I had to. I mean, it was cool. I mean, I started off throwing that swim bait that John let me use, and it's something I'd never really thrown before. And honestly, it's probably the most expensive bait I'd thrown. It was like, what, 30, 40 bucks?
Yeah, about $40.
$40, and it was pretty cool. We lost one on it, and then I caught a big one on it. It kind of got really hot, so we switched to the jig bite. I lost a nice one, the spinner bait. John had a lot of action on that huge $100 swim bait, and then George was smacking him on the, what did we just use the jig the whole time, right? Pretty much the jig the whole time. He lost a couple. We all lost a couple jigs today. You know, it was a great day. Thanks for all these guys for coming out. John, you got anything to say to wrap it up? You gotta do your outro thing too. You're gonna wrap it up.
Oh,
What am I doing?
Well,
I got nothing to say.
you wrap it up, do the, whatever you gotta do.
Oh, yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, and as always, folks, keep fishing.